Are you a video creator, a course creator, or a job involving creating and sharing videos with your clients? Then Vadu TV is right for you. Hey guys, my name is Sean D'Souza. Today I'm going to show you a platform where you can host your videos, share them with your clients without worrying about your videos getting interrupted by ads. Vadu TV enables you to customize the look and feel of the player so it suits the business and brand needs. It also comes with some additional tools. Let's try them all in this video. Vadu TV is currently running a lifetime deal. To get this deal, click the link in the description below. We are at the official website of Vadu TV, that is vadu.tv. So what is Vadu TV? It's an ad-free video hosting with customizable player and tools to grow your audience. So how does it work? Simply upload the video, customize and then publish. Vadu TV is alternate to Loom, which is a video screen recorder, as well as it is compared to Wistia and Vimeo because it also has a video hosting facilities. This tool is ideally for marketers, sales professionals, content marketers and course creators. Vadu TV integrates with Zapier, Integrately and Pabbly Connect. Vadu TV also has HLS encryption, which avoids piracy of your course and videos. So let's go to the pricing section just to see what are the pricings. So you have a free trial options where you get 10 free videos, 1 GB storage, 1 domain security, 1 project and 1 user. Then you have a pro version where you get unlimited of all these. You get 50 GB of storage, 1 project, 3 users, unbranded video player and password protect. And in the custom section you get unlimited videos, unlimited domains, unbranded video player, password protect, HLS encryption, full HD support, premium support and lifetime support. This is quite pricey, but yes, if you are planning to buy it today, you get a special offer on AppSumo, which is a lifetime deal starting at $39 US. So let's see the pricing here. The first license tier includes all these features, which is ad-free video hosting, custom video player, you get fast CDN, unlimited bandwidth, custom audio player, AI camera effect, you get CTA and lead capture, password protect and customized video landing pages. You get up to 200 total videos, 50 GB storage, 1500 audios, 5 domain securities, 1 project and 3 users. The same as well in the license 2 tier, you get all these above features. Unlimited total videos, 150 GB storage, unlimited videos here. You get 10 domain security, 5 projects, 6 users. In the license 3 section, it is charged $199 and you get unlimited videos, unlimited audios, 300 GB storage, 20 domain securities, 10 projects, 10 users, full HD support, HLS encryption, white labeling. And it goes to up to license 5 tier where you get all these above which are unlimited videos, 1.5 TB storage, unlimited audio, unlimited domain securities, 50 projects, 25 users and full HD support, HLS encryption, white labeling and CNAME function as well. So yes, if you are a course creator or a content marketer, then license 3 option would be a great option here. You get HLS support as well as white labeling features. I highly recommend you going to license 3 tier because it is more flexible when compared to other lower plans. Personally, I have purchased license 2 here because it was according to my use cases, because I don't actually make courses. So HLS and as well as white labeling would not affect me a lot. So I have bought this deal. So I get unlimited total videos, 150 GB storage, unlimited audios, 10 domain securities and 5 projects. Yes. If we come to this lower section here, the founder has given an updated offer here, which is 2x storage offer. So if you leave 2 honest reviews on these 2 platforms, you get 2x of your storage. So if you have currently 300 GB here, you get 600 GB. If you have 150, you get up to 300 GB, which is pretty great. So I'm sure you're gonna leave a positive review on this app because I totally love this app because it is very fast. I had no issues using this app, so I highly recommend you at least buying 1 tier product here. So now let's go to the user dashboard and see how this app works. So now I'm at Vadu TV's dashboard. So in the left side we get to see manage, record, analytics, domain, integrations, inspirations, and my plan here. So let's click on manage. When we click on manage, we get to see all our projects. Here I have created one project here. Then when we go to the record section, we will be able to record from our browser, record camera, record screen. You get to send even customized URL to your clients for testimonials. They can record on their screen without having an account. You also have a built-in Chrome extension which is called Voom. This Voom extension is also quite good. I'll be reviewing once I show you whole dashboard. So now let's go to the analytics section here. In this analytics section, we'll be able to see how many video views, total plays, and play rate, and completion rate graph here. So at the domain section, we will be able to authorize certain domains so that the video plays only in that domain, just for the security purpose. For example, I have a video, I want to share it, but I want to share it only on my website. So other people can't go to my source code, remove the video, or play it on their browser. That should not be possible. So we can use this feature. So I'll show you one example. If this was my website, it would be playing on my website, but since I just think I've gone to the source code and removed the URL, and I want to play it on my website, so this is what it's gonna look like. See, this is the same exact URL. So this is how it's gonna look like. It's not going to able to play. It's going to say that this is not the right domain to be played. So yes, this is pretty cool feature here. You get to set custom domain if you have level 5 tier plan. And in the integration section, you get Zapier, Integrately, Pabbly Connect, YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, and so on. If you click on view details, then they're going to show you how to connect it to your softwares. So then in the inspiration section, they have shown some examples how to set up a pitch, user onboarding, customer success, sales follow-up, everything. In this my plan, this is tier 2 plan, which was mentioned on AppSumo. Then you get support option. When you click on that, it goes to the support page. So now let's go to the manage page section. In the manage page section, I've already created one project just for demonstration. This one video I have uploaded from my laptop, and this one was directly uploaded via YouTube. So I'll show you what and how it looks. So if you had taken this video from YouTube, there's one drawback, saying this YouTube logo is going to be visible, and all these headings, save, watch later, share option will be available, and also when you pause the video, this recommendation bar would be viewable. But there's a positive point here, is it is not clickable. It's disabled by this tool, so that they can't go to the videos directly. So if you are into this, you can just unlist the video and paste it here, so that you can share it with your clients or post it on your website. So this is one of the use case. So other use case is you directly upload the video to Vadu TV, which is still better option, I think. Yes, once you do that, this is how it's going to look. There's no anything here. So now let's I'll explain this. Now let's go to the analytics section. Here you get to see video views, video plays, play rate, and completion rate as previous. Then you have a landing page option here. So you can set up your own landing page, so which is unlimited. So you get to write the title, you get to write the description. If you want, you can enable this. This is how it's going to look. Then you can disable as well. Then you can change the color. You can add your own logo here, which is here. Then you can change the color, you can make it public, you can show views at the bottom. So this is how it's going to look. There's many views. Then you get to show the share buttons, which are here. It's not that great, but yes, you get the options here. You get to add call to action button as well. So this is the buy now button I have configured here. You get, if you click icon, you get to do that, buy now. Then you can select it here. Then you get to choose the layouts as well. Then you also get an option to write JavaScript code here. You can add your Google Pixel code or Facebook Pixel. If you have a chatbot and you want users to communicate via chatbot, then you can add this to your JavaScript code section, and it will be available on landing page as well. Then you get to add some keywords here, which if you want it to rank on Google or any other search engines, then yes, you have to enter the keywords here. Then you can go to the customization section, so where you get more options here. So this is player related customization. So you get to select the theme color of the video player. So this I have selected black, so it's looking black here. You get to choose the icons as well. You can change to YouTube icon, so it's going to look like this, and the color also reflects here. So you get to upload a watermark which will be available here. You also, if you click on this, you also get to add a link to it, which is customizable. You can add your own link. Then you get to update your own thumbnail. You can simply upload from your laptop or your computer. You also get to enable GIF thumbnails. So if you do that, it was going to look like this. You also get to add chapters. So this is quite nice. If you are making a long tutorial on something, you can just specify, you can give a timestamps for each and everything on this video. So I have mentioned here 1 minute 30 seconds it's going to be batting, 3 minutes 50 seconds it's going to be bowling. So this is how it looks. I'll just show you here. So when you play this video, you get small highlights here saying batting and bowling here. So you also get to add chapter markers and chapter navigation. If chapter navigation is this, where you get to see what all the aspects are going to be teaching here. So then you can add closed captions. You can upload it here. You also are able to add passwords. So without password, the video won't be available. So I'll just put password as 100. This is how it's going to look. Once you enter the password, it's going to be played, or else it won't be played. This is a added security feature. You get to add custom URLs as well. You can simply rename it, and your custom URL is ready in seconds. So you get to customize even further by selecting which buttons to be available on your player and which not. So these are it. Then we can go to the marketing section here. So this is quite nice. So I have got 2 leads, which is my email ID obviously. So you can able to set a call to action here on the video, which is going to be overlaid on your video. So you can just add a new CTA. So then this is how it's going to look. You can add your link. You can specify harsh time and what time exactly. I've set 30 seconds and 45 seconds. I want it to appear on the center, and yes. And other thing is lead capture, which is on default. You can just change the timing. So and you can configure what all aspects you want. So don't allow for skip. If you, this feature is what so it's going to show 20 seconds of video, then it's going to pause and ask for email ID and name. Once you enter the email ID, then only it's going to continue. Just type of lead capturing mechanism in this inside the video. So I'm going to show you here. Let's go to this customization section just to see. When I click here, it's going to play. I'll take it to 19 seconds. Once it reaches 20 seconds, it's going to ask for the lead here. I'll enter my name. Once I enter the name, it's going to play. Then I'll show you the CTA also here. Once it reaches 30 seconds, you get this buy option here, which stays for 40 seconds, then it goes back. So this is quite nice tool to have, and this is it according to all the customization. You can directly add a video or audio file just by uploading from your laptop. You also get an import video option. You can directly add it from YouTube and other platforms here mentioned. Simply enter the URL and click on import. If you are importing from Google Drive, make sure you share a link and select an option called share it with the people who have access to this link, so that Wadu TV has access to your Google Drive. Yes, this is it. Then you can close it here. Then now I'm going to show you how to share this video. So now you can share this video with one click. So you can click on share and embed option. You get this shared link here, which is the landing page link. Obviously you can check how it looks. This is how it's gonna look. This is how it's gonna look, the landing page. You can directly play, and you get an option to share it on email as well. traditionally you won't be able to share videos on your email, but with Vado TV it's possible. It's going to show a GIF as like this, but when the user clicks on it, it directly redirects the user to the browser and then shows the video. So I'll come to the message section here and just click on paste. This is how it's going to look. You can remove this branding if you wish. You can try it yourself and see how you can play around with this feature. So now let's go back to the dashboard here. You can also embed this link. If you want the videos to be for the website specific, then you have to go to the domain section and just update your domain security to the current ID where you want to post this embed this video, or else if you don't do that, then it's not going to be available. It's just going to show you this warning symbol here like this. If you don't have any domain name, then it's accessible for everybody. If you want to hide it, then that's the way to go. You can just copy this and paste it on your website. Then you have social share, which is not that I didn't like so much. It's directly a share button to your social media platforms. Then you have a bubble option here. So this is quite interesting. This is how it looks like. So I'll just show you. This is how it's going to look. It's going to show you this customer service icon here. Then once you click on that, then the video is going to be playing. So this is the bubble feature. Then you have pop-up as well. This if you copy on your website, it pops up saying it's going to show an image first, then it's going to pop up, then you can start playing this video. So yes, now let's come back to this section. Now I'm going to show you how their Voom app is going to look. So I'm going to click here. So it's quite simple. As if you have used Loom, this is exactly as Loom, but this is not that responsive like Loom. It still needs a lot of updates, and the founder has said they are working on this. So yes, once you select this, you get the option to select tab only, desktop, and camera only function here. So you can click on start record. So once you start record, they're going to count down till 3 seconds here. You get this all toolkit here, so you can just select and make use of it. You get cursor settings, you get this highlight clicks. So whenever you click, it shows a small highlight. Then you have hide cursor when inactive. It's going to hide the cursor from the user whenever you don't use the cursor. Then there's a spotlight feature, where if you want your users vision to be at one spot, then you can use that. This is quite useful when you are doing a tutorial or giving a demo for your clients. Then this is a very good tool. So let's remove this now, and let's go to the other tools. You have annotation tools here. You get to use the pen feature here, which is quite nice. Also you have a text feature here, so you can say click on this, so you get to delete this if you want. Then you have a eraser tool. You get to select the color of your pen. Then also you have a arrow tool here. You can just when you're doing the demos, you can say click here, go to the domain section, then click on here. This is quite nice tool to have. You can delete them as well. You can change the color of arrows from here. If you want black, then yes, black you have there. This is about Voom Chrome extension. So now I'll click on pause and click on this tick mark. If you click on X mark, then it's going to discard. If you click on tick mark, it's gonna save. It's gonna take you to their video hosting place where you can edit it. You can trim the video and do all kind of stuff. If you want to download this video, you can download. If you want to share it on save it on Vado TV, then there's an option to do that as well. If you simply want to cancel that, then you can just cancel this off and it's not gonna be saved. So this is about Vado TV. So I'll go back to the AppSumo deal page. So I highly recommend you buying at least one code with this offer, because this offer is only valid till 29 hours from now. When I post this video, it might go to 24 hours. So yes, this deal is absolutely nice. If you are a marketer or if your work is related to video, then this is a definitely app for you. And if you are a course creator, I highly recommend you going above third tier, because It offers HLS encryption, which is great feature, and also white labeling features, which helps you removing their branding. If you go to the license 5 tier, then you get C name also, because if you are into some company, then this would be a great, you get an option to mask this Wado TV app over your custom domain name. So this is a great function as well. So my final thoughts about this app is this app is great. It has a great potential in the future. Also, they have a great community on Facebook. Lot of people are involved. If you have any doubts, they will clear it instantly. Also, the founder people they have got some great visions. According to the founder, they have recently got a funding. Also, it looks like this company is gonna go far. And as well as, if I speak about the speed of the video, it's lightning speed. There's no delay, there's no errors, and also they use AWS Amazon servers, so it's quite nice. Drawbacks about this app would be they have a very bad UI. It's not that great, and this Voom app not that great, because it has to have more updates with this. And also, if you see the landing page, it's not that great as well. The UI of the landing page is also not great, so they have to work on that as well. So yes, this is my positives and negatives, and my final thought, I highly recommend you at least going with the $39 code, because it's available for only 24 hours. So I would highly recommend you just taking one code, or taking how much ever you want, and then if you're not interested, there's an option for full refund, which AppSumo promises to give, and I have done refund in previous times, and they have given full refund without no questions asked. So yes, on this note, I'm going to end this video. Take care guys. Please like, share and comment on this video. If you have any doubts, yes, I'm available for you to help. Please write it down in the comment section. And to buy this deal, don't forget to use my link. It's down in the description below. So yes, thank you so much for viewing this video. Have a great time. Bye bye.